Hi, Malvin Lim here of GreattoysOnline.com, and I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of Bandai Collector Division Tamashii Nation's Dragon Ball 2 Xenoverse SH Figuarts Time Patroller Xenoverse Edition. So this item is a new item for this month. This item is a new item which will arrive first week of May 2017 at all Great Toys outlets and branches, and also at authorized dealers and resellers. The figure uses the new clean 2016 style of SH Figuarts packaging for Dragon Ball. This is an advanced copy given to us by Bandai South Asia. And one nice bonus for this item is that the item comes with a free stage act inside. So the item comes with 4 swappable heads, 4 pairs of hands, and the Tamashii effect part. Of course, the figure now comes with a new joint system for the SH Figuarts figures. The scouter is molded onto the head itself, so it's not swappable or removable. Of course, comes with a very well-known SH Figuarts Dragon Ball articulation. Of course, sharp detail and coloring by Bandai. Comes with a familiar articulation and detail. The cape is very hard plastic, almost not bendable this time, unlike the previous figures. So do check out this figure when it arrives first week of May 2017. I'm Malvin Lim of GreattoysOnline.com. Thank you very much for checking out this unboxing video.